Axie Infinity currently trading, guys, at $47.62 with a market cap about $3 billion. Ranked number 41, ticker AXS. But before trading, hodling, and getting part of their game, guys, what is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. To learn more about the project, guys, go to their website. Also, if you want to see it, I'm going to show you guys on the website anyways, but let's get to what markets they're on, okay? So if you want to get part of our markets, they're on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, FTX, KuCoin, Get.io, BitThumb, Kraken. So once again, it's the top one in the top 100. So they're pretty much on all platforms. Let's see the price rating if they got one available. Let's see, not available, guys. I think I made a video about this earlier, but there has been a huge amount of market change on this. So definitely gotta do an updated video to show you guys. You guys want some more news about it? They just here's on the Coin Market Cap news. I'm gonna talk about the news more on their Twitter page, okay? But let's get to their website. So if you want to check out their game, A Digital Nation, Battle, Collect, and Earn. Here's their white paper. I would highly suggest reading more about this crypto before getting in part of it, especially with them having a very volatile price. And also learning more about it, their land, their battle, their marketplace. Check it out, guys. Learn more about the cryptocurrency. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but I would say go learn more about it before being a part about it. Check out their Twitter page, guys. 879,000 followers. Huge following. And here's some stuff about their game. Let's see. 2 hours ago, sold for, wow, an NFT sold for that much? Wow. So if you guys want to read more about their cryptocurrency, check out their Twitter page. Learn more about it. Also, follow me on Twitter. It's AndreJMcClendon.com. I'm Andre J. McClendon. I tell a lot of political stuff. Just hit me up on Twitter, guys. I do a lot more things that are political on there than I do on my YouTube channel. All right, now let's get to that price prediction, guys. So, Axie Infinity has been taking massive hits. Like most cryptocurrencies today, a lot of them have been taking a lot of pain. But with Axie Infinity, in my opinion, that this support zone right here is going to break. I don't think it's going to hold. So we're going to be seeing Axie Infinity on a lot lower prices. That means I'm not going to be entering. Because for me, I am not a fan of shorting cryptocurrencies except for like the top like 5. Like if it's not Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin kind of. Outside of this, I don't short crypto. I'm shorting Bitcoin currently, but I will not short a lot of these other cryptos. It's just how it is. Especially with my broker, the brokers I like to trade upon. But when it comes to this Axie Infinity, guys, right now it's currently at $47. So I think it's going to definitely break this zone and head down a little bit lower to the $37 zone. Now, what I'm going to do is this. Now, I can't really give you a price prediction for a higher price. I don't see it going higher. My price prediction is going to be lower, guys. My price prediction, where is that arrow at? Sorry about that. Oh, on the daily. My price prediction for this is going to be $38. Sorry, even here, $37. So let's go with that. So $37. That's where I see it going. So about $11 lower. So if you're thinking about hodling or dollar cost averaging, for me, I'm just going to do price alerts. And that's what my main thing. I like if I see something going down lower, I'm just gonna do a couple price alerts, so I don't have to put a live active order in and take a potential loss because it can go down lower. Like there's a lot of room if it can go down to $9 and it can go down. So I rather do a bunch of price alerts and protect myself. So my price prediction of $37, if it hits that, I can see if it bounces and heads down lower or heads down higher. Then I can make another updated video for that, guys. But that's what I see. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. We can have a discussion about this and also talk about the cryptocurrency and his game. I have no problem doing it, and this is the possibility for a setup. $37, bounce a little higher, and then ultimately going down lower. Or if I'm completely wrong, which is fine. I don't mind being wrong in trading because it happens. This is how it is. But what I like to do is, even if I'm wrong on the overall direction, the short-term direction, if it bounces my order in, I lock in my trade. So if it goes from, like, let's say hypothetically, I enter at $37 in the buy limit, hits $37, reverses, hits $39, $40. I move my stop loss to break even or, a little bit of cushion room. So if it comes back down, like I'm talking about right here, it knocks me out of my trade, but I walk home with a profit. So it's not a bad thing. So you're not going to always be right about these things, guys. You just got to protect your money. Don't put 10% out there, 20% losses. Those are very, very painful and difficult to come back from. But that's my analysis, guys. Price prediction, $37. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Let's get to my website, guys. So, website, Andre J. Mcclendon. I talk about a lot of Forex, cryptocurrency stuff on here. But if you want a Forex trading account, stock account, I also get a kickback for that, and you do too. So, click on the links right here, guys. Get into the chat. Talk about the group. If you guys want indicator stuff, like free indicators that I back tested that doesn't do mirrored, but basically it edits the previous past, let me know. I back test these. I also create indicators and EA. So if you guys want to know more about this, let me know. Fill up the form or hit me up on Facebook and talk about it, then fill it out. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, guys. Let's have this conversation about Axie Infinity. I want to learn more about it, on what you guys think. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.